We know it's cold outside, but it's not too cold to start preparing your property and protect your foundation before the spring rains hit. Foundation movement and damage can get worse if left unchecked, and the best time to act is now. I'm Richard, the Foundation Man, an independent, fee-paid foundation repair consultant. My job is to assess your property and educate you on how to prevent, stop, and even reverse foundation problems. Unlike foundation repair companies, I have no stake in selling you a repair. I simply provide honest, expert advice. My usual fee for a full inspection, explanation, and report within 40 miles of DFW Airport is $400. Beyond 40 miles, it's just a bit more. But because of the coming cold weather, I'm offering a $100 discount for appointments booked before February 20th, 2025, for any date in February. That means you can get a professional, unbiased foundation assessment for just $300, an investment that could save you thousands in future repairs. Need help but not in the area? I also offer remote consultations for just $200. Don't wait until foundation issues get worse. Call or text Richard at 817-308-8186 now to secure the best appointment times. For more details, visit repairfoundations.com.